Here is the script for the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i review. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about a laptop that's got everyone in the gaming community buzzing, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i. I have to admit, when I first heard about this new powerhouse from Lenovo, I was a little skeptical. Could it really live up to the hype? Well, let me tell you, after putting it through its paces, I'm completely won over. First off, let's talk about the display. This laptop boasts an incredible 16-inch Wqxga OLED 240Hz screen that will make your eyes pop out. What does that mean for you? It means you'll get sharp, detailed visuals with vibrant colors and deep contrast. It's perfect for gaming or working on creative projects where precision is key. I've used this laptop for both video editing and playing the latest games, and the difference in performance is staggering. But what really sets this display apart is its 240Hz refresh rate. That means the screen will update an astonishing 240 times per second. That's faster than a human eye can blink. This results in smooth motion and responsive gameplay, making it ideal for fast-paced games like FPS or esports titles. Whether you're working on a complex project or enjoying your favorite game, this display is a real showstopper. Now, let's talk about the brain of the operation, the Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor. This thing is a beast. It provides desktop-class performance with its sophisticated multi-core architecture and AI-powered acceleration. What does that mean for you? It means you can run multiple applications simultaneously without any lag or slowdown. It's perfect for multitasking, content creation, or running resource-intensive programs like video editing software. But what really impresses me about this processor is its ability to handle demanding workloads with ease. Whether I'm working on a complex spreadsheet or running a graphics-intensive program, the Legion Pro 7i handles everything with confidence and speed. It's clear that Lenovo has put a lot of thought into designing this laptop for professionals who need raw power. Of course, no gaming laptop would be complete without top-notch graphics capabilities. That's where the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 16GB GDDR7 comes in. This card is a powerhouse of performance and features advanced ray tracing, AI-enhanced acceleration, and high-bandwidth memory. It's like having your own personal supercomputer right in your laptop. But what really makes this graphics card special is its ability to deliver seamless visuals and intense performance. Whether I'm playing a demanding game or running a resource-intensive program, the GeForce RTX 5080 handles everything with ease and precision. It's clear that Lenovo has partnered with NVIDIA to create a truly unbeatable gaming experience. Now, let's talk about some of the other features that make this laptop stand out. For example, there's the RGB backlit keyboard, which is perfect for anyone who wants to customize their typing experience. Whether I'm working on a project or playing a game, the customizable backlighting adds an extra layer of immersion and fun. But what really impresses me about this keyboard is its durability and reliability. The full-size design means it's built to last, even with heavy use, which is great news for anyone who wants a laptop that can keep up with their active lifestyle. Of course, no review would be complete without talking about storage and memory. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7i comes with an impressive 32GB DDR5 RAM and a whopping 1TB PCIe SSD. What does that mean? It means you'll have plenty of room to store your files, apps, and media, plus lightning-fast storage that will make it feel like having your own personal cloud right in your laptop. But what really impresses me about this storage setup is its flexibility. The 1TB SSD provides ample capacity for storing large files or programs, while the 32GB of RAM ensures that you'll have plenty of room to run multiple applications simultaneously without any lag. Finally, let's talk about some of the extra features and accessories that come with the Legion Pro 7i. For example, there's a fantastic docking station set that includes a 7-in-1 dock, a 32GB microSD card adapter, a Type-C data cable, a 3-in-1 charging cable, and even a suede cleaning cloth. What does that mean? It means you'll have everything you need to get started with your new laptop, plus plenty of room for expansion as needed. Overall, I'm blown away by the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i. From its stunning display to its powerful processor and impressive graphics capabilities, this laptop is a true powerhouse that's sure to deliver on performance and style. If you're in the market for a new gaming or content creation laptop, I highly recommend checking out the Legion Pro 7i. It's an absolute steal at any price point. Check out the link below to get your hands on this incredible laptop. Trust me, you won't regret it.